YouTube channel, Maths classes for 10th class children. Today I am going to start exercise 2.1 fifth bit. Before going to start, if you watch my channel is first time, please do subscribe my channel and like it and share it to your friends and classmates. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will give the reply to everyone. If you give any suggestion, you can comment in the comment box. So it is very helpful to make a perfect video. So let's in the previous class we are discussed about the set definition. What is the set definition? Well, the collection of well defined object or ideas is called set. For example, the set of whole numbers. Okay, next we are discussed about the what are the present in the set is called elements, which are separated by commas. So we have to symbolically also we have to represent that. Suppose 5 is present in the set A, we can symbolically represent. How can we symbolically represent? 5 is belongs to A. We use the belongs to symbol. 7 is not present in the set A. How can you represent it? Yes, set does not belongs to A. And one more thing we discussed in the previous class, set builder form and roster form. What is the set builder form? Yes, it says about the common thing of the elements is called set builder form. What is the roster form? Where is the elements are present in direct in set, it is called roster form. రోస్టర్ ఫామ్ అంటే ఎలిమెంట్స్ డైరెక్ట్గా అందులో ప్రజెంట్ అయి ఉంటాయి. అక్కడ సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫామ్లో ఏవైతే ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో వాటి యొక్క నేచర్ని చెప్పడాన్ని సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫామ్ అని అంటాం. సో టుడే we are going to few more questions on the sets. Exercise 2.1. So let's go to the today's class. So fifth bit. What is the fifth bit? Write the following sets in the roster form. First question. B is a set of all elements x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. Once again I read. B is a set of all elements x such that x is natural numbers smaller than 6. Solution. Fifth bit, first one, solution. So what he says, x is a smaller than, x is a natural number. What are the natural numbers? Where it is start? Yes, you are correct. It start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because it is the smaller than 6. X is a smaller than. How many numbers are natural numbers are smaller than 6? 5 numbers are there. What are there? 1 to 5. You have to write in the set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are elements in the present given set. This is the answer for fifth bit, first one. Next, second bit, second problem. C is a set of all elements x such that x is a two-digit natural numbers such that the sum of its digits is 8. Once again I read. C is a set of all elements x such that x is a two-digit natural number such that sum of its digits is 8. What he says, if you add the two digits, you should get the 8. రెండు డిజిట్స్ కనుక టూ డిజిట్స్ నెంబర్స్ అంటున్నాడు. ఆ టూ డిజిట్స్ నెంబర్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత రావాలి మనకు? 8 అనేది రావాలి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద టూ డిజిట్ నెంబర్? స్మాలెస్ట్ టూ డిజిట్ నెంబర్? ఎస్, 10 ఈజ్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ టూ డిజిట్ నెంబర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ టూ డిజిట్ నెంబర్? 99. So what numbers are present in the 10 to 99? How many numbers are there? Sum of the digits should be 8. You have to check it and write the answer. So let's go to the right answer. Second problem. Solution. Two digits number. So two digits are start from 10. So 10, if you write 10's place 1, you have to write 1's place 2. If you add 1 plus 7, it is 8. Understood? Now no more elements in the 10's place 1. So next to 2. Next to 2 and 6. If you add this 2, 26. 2 plus 6, it is 8. It is 17, it is 26. Next 10, 3. Next 10's place 3. 3 means you have to write 3. 3 means 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Next 4. 4 and 4, 44. It is 35, it is 44. If you add 4 plus 4, it is also 8. Next 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Next 6. 2. 62. 53, 62. 6 plus 2, yes, 8. Next 7. 171. Next 80. So no more numbers. Next coming 81, it is 8 plus 1, 9. 82, 8 plus 2, this 10. So no elements, no numbers are sum of two digits is equal to 8. So these are the elements present in bit two digit numbers are which sum is equal to 8. Okay. Next question. Next third question. D is a set of all elements x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. What he says, prime number and it is a divisor of 60. What is the meaning of divisor? Yes, the number should be divisible by 60 is divisible by that number. 60 should be divisible by prime number. ఓకే, అంటే 60 అనేది ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్తో డివిజబుల్ కావాలి. అలాంటి నెంబర్ని ఏమంటున్నాం అంటే డివైజర్ అని అంటున్నాం. సో అలాంటి డివైజర్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి అనేది మనం చెక్ చేసి రాయాలి. ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే, నెంబర్స్ కాదు, ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే. ఓకే, వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ ఆన్సర్. సో థర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్, solution. What he says? Uh, so divisor 60 divisors. What is the first prime number? 2. It is a divisor of 60 or not? Yes. 6 2 30s are 60. It is divisible. It is a prime number. Next to 3. Yes, 3 also divisor of 60. Why? Because it is 3 20s are 60. Next 5. 5 12s are 60. So no more numbers are not divisible. Prime numbers are not present. So which are not divisible. So these are the numbers, prime numbers are divisors of 60. So it is the answer for third question. So fourth question. E is a set of all elements x such that x is an alphabet in the letter. So when you give a word, there there is a present the alphabets are 2 times or 3 times. It may present 1 2 times or 3 times, but we are consider only one time when we while we writing elements of the word. Okay, so we are taking here e and t are present in the word 2 times, but we have to take only single time. Understood? So next go for answer. Fourth solution. So better no b e t and r. So these are the letters in the present in the set E. So E is equal, you can write E is also. So first one is set B, no? You can write B is equal. Second one C is equal. Second one C is equal. Third one D is equal. Fourth one E is equal. You have to write this. Okay. Next sixth bit. Write the following sets in the set builder form. What is the difference in fifth bit and sixth bit? In a fifth bit, he has given set builder form and he asked write the roster form. Now in this question, he has given roster form. We have to write set builder form. We have to write set builder form. So first question 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12. So we are identify the what is the common nature of these elements. We defined that. So what are the elements? What is the nature of the elements? Yes, these are all multiples of 3, isn't it? Yes, these 4 elements are multiples of 3. How like it is less than 13? You are going to write that one only. So sixth bit, first one, set is a set of all elements x such that x is a multiple of 3. X is a multiple of 3 and less than what? Less than 13. అంటే 13 కంటే తక్కువ ఉన్న మల్టిపుల్స్. ఏ మల్టిపుల్స్? 3 మల్టిపుల్స్. Understood? A is a set of all elements x such that x is a multiple of 3 and less than 13. Next Sixth bit, second question. 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So let we try to find what is the common nature of the numbers. So we have to define that number. So second one, solution given. What he has given? 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So these numbers I am going to write like this. Suppose it take let us take it as set B. B is equal to, I am going to write 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2, it is 4. 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next 2 to the power of 4. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. It is 2 to the power of 5. 16 2s are 32. Isn't it? So we can write like this. So the powers are increased 1 to 5. The powers are varied. 2 is a base, common base in the all numbers, but the exponents is varied from, changed from 1 to 5. This is the main difference. This is the natural. So how can I different this? Set B is a all elements such that x such that x is equal to 2 to the power of a. So what numbers are it is? Which are belongs to natural numbers. One is natural number, 2 is natural number, 3 is natural number, 4 is natural number, 5 is also natural number. So a is belongs to n and a is less than or equal to 5, which means is you can write less than 6 also, no problem. I'm writing less than or equal to 5. It means a is also equal to 5. Less than 5 means 1 2 3 4. Equal to 5 means it is also 5. So 1 to 5 here we are taking. Understood? This is the set builder form of the second bit. Okay. Next third. 5, 25, 125, 6, 25, 625. So it is also same like that only, but base is here 5. Base is here 5. So I am going to write directly third question. Solution given C. Set C is equal 5, 25, 125, 625. So I am going to write this. C is equal to 5 to the power of 1, 5 square, 5 cube and 5 to the power of 4. So how can you write? You guess it? Yes, your guess is correct. Set of x, C is a set of all elements x such that x is equal to 5 to the power of a and a belongs to natural numbers and a is less than 5, or you can write less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4. You can write anything. Both are correct only. So I am here right. I am going to write here a less than 5. This is the answer for third problem. Next, sixth bit, last one. Sixth bit last one. What is the last one? Fourth one. 1, 4, 3, 16, 25, 100. We try to find what is the common thing in these numbers. Do you have any idea? Huh? See, square numbers it is. 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16, 5 square means 25, 10 square means 100. Fourth one, given. What he has given? D is equal 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 dash dash 100. So how can I write this one? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, sorry it is square, 4 square, 5 square dash dash 10 square. 10 square means 100. So what is the numbers are present there? Which are the square numbers? This is a square numbers. Understood? Okay, you can write D is equal, D is a set of all elements x such that x is equal to a square. X is equal to a square. Why? Because here vary is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Bases are base change. The exponent is fixed square only. Okay. So this a is belongs to n. This a is belongs to n and 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. So x అనేది so no need to write this one, sorry, x is equal less than or equal to 10, less than or equal to 10, sorry a is equal to a is equal to a is varied here, no, based, so a is less than or equal to 10, a is equal to less than or equal to 10 అంటే a అనేది 10 కంటే చిన్నది మరియు దానికి ఈక్వల్ అండ్ దానికి ఈక్వల్ 10కి ఈక్వల్ అంటే 1 to 10 వరకు మనం బేసిస్గా తీసుకోవాల్సి ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని స్క్వేర్ నెంబర్ రాస్తే ఈ విధంగా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇదే విషయాన్ని వర్డ్స్లో కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం. నెక్స్ట్ 7th బిట్, write the following sets in the roster form. First question, a is equal C. A is the set of all elements x such that a is a natural number greater than 50 but smaller than 100. The number should be greater than small natural numbers only, no? You define natural numbers which are greater than 50 అంటే 51 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? సో లెస్ దాన్ 100 అంటే 100 కంటే తక్కువ. ఎక్కడి వరకు న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 99 ఉన్నాయి. అంటే 51 to 99 వరకు రాయాలి. 7th bit, first one, solution. So he said a is equal to, so 51, 52, 53 dash 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 ఎక్కడి వరకు 99. This is the set of first solution. Next, so second problem, set is a B is a set of all x elements x such that x is an integer. Integer means positive number and negative number. Integers x square is equal to 4. What is the possibles are there? Yes, two possibles are there. Positive number 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 square means 4. So negative 2 whole square. Negative 2 means minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. So there is a 2 elements are exist there. How many elements are there? Exist. How many elements are exist there? 2 elements are there. What are there? Minus 2 and 2. Why? Because minus 2 into minus 2. 2 minus 2 square is 4. 2 square also 4. Understood? Second solution, b is equal, what is the b? Minus 2 and 2. These two are answer. Elements are present in the set B. Next question. D is a set of all elements x such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So we have to write the what elements are present in the set. We have to write that. Okay. Next, loyal. So what is the set? Loyal, no? So set C is equal loyal L comma O comma Y comma A comma L. This is the set. This is the solution for third question. Third question solution. Next we are going to discuss about match the following. 8th bit, match the roster form with set builder form. The first question, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. So what numbers it is? So you have to see here. So which is the x such that x is a natural numbers and divisors of 6. So divisors nothing but multiples. First multiples factors. Nothing but factors of 6. Divisors means nothing but it is a factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the factors of 6. It is matched to 6. You have to draw a line from 1 to C. Okay, you can write the classwork and match the 6 to C. Okay, that is the first question answer. So 2 comma 3, which are prime numbers? Let the see. So x such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. Divisors nothing but is a factor. So which should be prime numbers. These two are also prime numbers. So it is matched to A. You have to draw a line from second to A. First one is 1 to C and second one draw a line from second to A. Next, mathematics, which is the alphabets present in the spelling of word in the mathematics. So x such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. So you have to draw a line from third to D. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are odd numbers. Less than 10. Below 10 odd numbers are these numbers these numbers. So here B is x such that x is a odd natural number smaller than 10. Understood? So you have to draw a line from here to B, fourth to B. So once again I recall 1 to C and second to A and third to D and fourth to B. So thank you for watching. If you do not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel and like it and share it to your friends. So all the best.